Hello everyone. In this video, we will do some practice sums on median and altitude of a triangle. Let's do the first one. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. Then what is PM, what is PD, and is QM equal to MR? So PM, if you look at PM, PM shows PM is making 90-degree angle with QR. And that means PM is an altitude, because definition of altitude is a line segments joining a vertex with one point on the opposite side such that it makes 90-degree angle, and hence PM satisfies this definition, and hence PM is the altitude. PD, it is given that D is the midpoint. And because D is the midpoint, a line segment joining vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. QR is the opposite side of P, and PD is a line segment joining vertex P and the midpoint of its opposite side. Hence PD is a median. Now, is QM equal to MR? So let's look at it. We know D is the midpoint, and hence QD is equal to DR. Reason? Given point D is midpoint. Now QD is same as QM plus MD, because QM and MD together will make QD, and that is equal to DR. Now if I take MD that side, MD plus becomes minus, and therefore we get QM is equal to DR minus MD. That is our first equation. Now we also know that MR is equal to DR plus MD. And now we see that 1 is actually not equal to 2, and therefore QM is not equal to MR, because here it is DR minus MD and here it is DR plus MD. So QM is actually not equal to MR. Draw rough sketches of triangle ABC where B is median. Now median is always interior of the triangle, and this does not give us any indication whether triangle ABC is acute angle, obtuse angle, or right angle. So we can draw any triangle. So let's draw it. The triangle ABC will find a midpoint E, and we will join the midpoint, and that's our answer for A. In B, triangle PQR, where PQ and PR are altitudes. Now if you see, PQ and PR are actually sides of the triangle, and when the sides of the triangle are altitudes, it is definitely a right angle triangle. And which is a right angle? Right angle is the common vertex between these two sides. So it is a P, common vertex is P. So it is a right angle triangle, right angled at vertex P. If you see here, PQ and PR are the altitudes of triangle PQR. And for the last one, triangle XYZ, where altitude YL is in exterior. If the altitude is in exterior of a triangle, then the triangle has to be obtuse angle triangle. And YL is in exterior. That means obtuse angle is made at any vertex other than Y. So let's draw an obtuse angle triangle. And that's our answer for sum C. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. So let's draw an isosceles triangle. So I have an isosceles triangle CAT where CA is equal to CT. Now let me draw a median which starts at vertex C and joins the midpoint of side AT. Let me take a midpoint and let's draw the median. So I have drawn a median CB, let's say, and these two are equal. Now what you can do is measure this angle, measure the angle CBT. And if I measure the angle CBT, I get measurement as 90 degree, which means CB is also making right angle with AT, and that is an indication that CB also is an altitude. And therefore we can say that in isosceles triangle, one of the median can be its altitude as well. We can prove this mathematically using the congruence of triangle, but we have not learned congruence of triangle as yet. So we will prove this using the measurement. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.